Welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super relatable problem. Have you ever noticed how the smartest AI models out there seem to just lose their minds during long conversations? Well, today, we're exploring some award-winning research that finally diagnoses exactly why this happens, and more importantly, how to fix it. Let's get right into it. We've got a lot of ground to cover. We're going to start with the multi-turn illusion, then diagnose the lost phenomenon, look at the state update solution, dive into the proof of the fix, and wrap up with a look at the global AI landscape. Starting off with part 1, the multi-turn illusion, and why AI gets so confused. So we're all using these chatbots every single day now, right? But it's honestly so frustrating when you ask an AI to, say, write some code, and you give it 2 or 3 follow-up tweaks, and suddenly, it's acting like it has absolutely zero clue what you originally asked. It hallucinates, it forgets your constraints. You really have to wonder, why do these brilliant AI models suddenly act so dumb in long chats? Well, the data paints a pretty stark picture. When you actually test these models in multi-turn conversations, the way human beings actually talk, dripping information bit by bit, they suffer a massive 39% drop in average performance compared to when you just give them one big single prompt. 39%. That is a huge capability cliff, and it hits even the absolute best state-of-the-art systems. And there's a great quote from the ICLR 2026 Outstanding Paper Committee that really hits the nail on the head here. They noted a dissonant gap between most of the data used for LLM training and how they're deployed. Basically, we train these models on perfectly structured, complete sentences. It's like training them for a 100-meter sprint. But then, in the real world, we deploy them and force them to run a relay race, handing them incomplete instructions over and over again. All right, let's move on to part 2, diagnosing the lost phenomenon and unpacking that 39% drop. To figure out what's actually happening under the hood, we're looking at an incredible paper from researchers at Microsoft and Salesforce called LLMs Get Lost in Multi-Turn Conversation. Now, because most AI tests are just single prompts, these researchers had to get creative. They built a framework to take a massive task, like a complex math problem, and chop it up into what they call conversational shards. They literally fed the AI one tiny piece of the puzzle per turn. It's a brilliant way to simulate a real chat and pinpoint the exact moment the AI derails. And after running hundreds of thousands of these simulated chats, they found something super interesting. The root cause? It's not a lack of raw capability, it's unreliability. The models basically stumble in 4 specific ways. First, they jump the gun and propose full answers way too early. Second, if they make a bad assumption early on, they just blindly rely on it for the rest of the chat. Third, they generate these overly verbose, bloated answers that drown out the actual instructions. And fourth, they suffer from this crazy quirk called the loss in middle turns phenomenon. To visualize that last point, take a look at this citation heat map from the study. It tracks exactly what parts of a conversation the AI is paying attention to. Look at what happens by the 8th turn of a chat. Those dark blue areas show the AI is hyper-focused on the very beginning and the very end of your conversation. But the middle, that light blue section, it's almost entirely forgotten. Crucial context just completely vanishes into thin air. Which brings us to part 3, the state update solution, basically a cure for AI amnesia. So we know the diagnosis, right? But how do we actually fix it? Well, a complementary paper from Beijing University of Posts and Telecommunications offers an absolute game-changer of a solution. But to get why it's so good, you have to understand the baseline, which is called linear history concatenation. That's just a fancy way of saying the system copies and pastes your entire chat history into every new prompt. Imagine someone shouting a huge, ever-growing grocery list at you for an hour, and then expecting you to perfectly remember item number 4. It's impossible. It just leads to massive context bloat. To solve this, the researchers came up with the state update strategy. You can think of it like a dynamic running checklist. It works in 3 steps. Step 1, state reconstruction. Instead of just endlessly appending history, the model actively rebuilds its current state of knowledge. Step 2, history reminder. The system explicitly reminds the model of key facts it already confirmed. And step 3, XML structured output. It forces the model to put its updated knowledge inside clean, neat little info tags so the system can parse it perfectly every time. And here is what that loop looks like in action. Check out those green XML tags in the bottom right corner. The model drops its key findings right into those tags. Then the framework scoops them up, and on the very next conversational turn, feeds them right back to the model as a strict history reminder. Because it's actively managing the flow like this, the model never has to go back and reread a massive wall of text. It's just reading its own highly optimized checklist. All right, part 4, proof of the fix. Let's see how this strategy actually holds up. So, The big question, does this checklist method actually work with real data? The results are honestly night and day. We already know the old copy-paste method causes that brutal 39% accuracy drop. But this new state update strategy, it requires absolutely zero underlying model training, which is huge. By just changing the prompting framework, it actually boosts question answering accuracy by 14.1%. And the craziest part, it cuts the time the AI takes to think, the inference time, by 73.1%. So it's making the AI significantly faster, significantly cheaper, and a whole lot smarter. And it scales beautifully too. If you look at the dark blue bars, that's the old baseline completely degrading as a conversation hits 5 or 10 turns. But those purple bars? That's the new state update strategy, holding strong. And this holds true whether you're using a smaller 3 billion parameter model all the way up to a heavy-duty 14 billion parameter model. It proves the method is incredibly robust. No matter how long you chat, the AI actually holds on to its memory. Finally, Part 5, the global AI landscape, contextualizing these breakthroughs from ICLR 2026. Let's zoom out for a second because it is super important to see how these specific breakthroughs fit into the global picture. Both of these core papers were highlighted at the prestigious ICLR 2026 conference. And this table gives us a fascinating snapshot of how international scientific collaboration is playing out. Chinese institutions are putting out a massive volume of foundational research right now, making up about 40% of all poster presentations. Meanwhile, U.S. institutions are leading when it comes to the highly selective oral presentations, and they actually swept the Outstanding Paper Awards this year. It just goes to show how this is a truly global, complementary effort driving all this incredible progress. We are literally watching researchers in real time bridge this gap between sterile, single-prompt laboratory training and the messy, chaotic reality of human conversation. By giving AI models a dynamic, structured memory, they stop being these fragile parlor tricks and actually become reliable, long-term assistants. So, I'll leave you with this. If we can permanently fix the memory of our AI models, what kind of incredible real-world applications are we about to unlock next?